All right, welcome back to new season, a new desert season. Kicking it off kind of different today, kind of funny. I'm on my brother's Banshee. If you remember, if you watch my channel, it's my brother's Alba Banshee. We kind of refurbished it last year. He only rode it once and then put it away. We just got it out. You know, it's got old ass gas in it, but it started right up. Fucking reliable 2002 Banshee of his. But take a look at it right now. It's got the MOTOFAST on it. I acquired this pipe the other day from a guy. Shout out to Jesse. I went to his house to pick up a couple bumpers, and he had this pipe just like in a junk pile. Basically, he said, "Hey, if you want this pipe, you know, shoot me an offer or whatever." So it's cool. You know, it's kind of different. It's kind of funny. So not really sure what we're gonna do. We have my wife. She's on her little bike right now, right there. So that thing keeps getting stuck, like, you know, in like this much sand, it's getting stuck. She's got the training wheels on it or whatever, so it's, you know, this little spot right here looks like it's working. But yeah, we're gonna do a couple laps on this thing, get some sound clips at least. But for me, so far, it doesn't really sound that different. It sounds kind of like the Toomies did, honestly. It doesn't have the I told my wife, I was like, hey, this sounds like an Indy car. It sounds like a chainsaw. It sounds like an RC car. I was gonna sell it, and she said, no, we have to see what it sounds like. We can't sell it yet. So here it is, it's on. What the fuck? Random van driving by out here in the middle of the desert. Let's get some clips of this MOTOFAST, huh? Alright, so there it is, MOTOFAST 2-in-1. What do you think, Al? The power's pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I noticed a difference between this and the Toomies, but it's fun. It's cool. It's got low end for sure. I don't really know this area, so I'm just kind of cruising it, but highlighting these weird ass pipe. Look at that thing. From this side, it looks crazy because there's just nothing there. It looks empty. Looks like a Honda or whatever. Not a fan. Not a fan of the empty area right there. But not bad. It's cool. It's definitely different. MOTOFAST 2-in-1 Banshee exhaust. It's I mean, if you don't know what this is, it's kind of like that motocross era Banshee pipe, you know? This one's cool. Not too bad. If you like the look, I guess it's for you. If you don't, if you like the two pipes like me, I'll stick with the Toomies or Shears or whatever, but they're cool. Not bad. I didn't mean to do that. All right, so there it is, MOTOFAST 2-in-1 Woods MX Banshee pipe, whatever you want to call it. It's fun, kind of different. It definitely, when you're riding it, I don't really notice that little kind of like fucking snowmobile or whatever it sounds like. But when I watch the clips back and stuff, you can definitely have that different, blah blah blah. You can definitely hear that other sound. A cool little twofer today. We got out. It was pretty nice out. Nice to get my brother's Banshee out, rip it. Yeah, and the MOTOFAST pipe, you know, that was just a bonus. Just I wasn't expecting to get it, and it just kind of showed up. So pretty cool. Anyways, here we are. It's October 2nd. It's desert season. I'm gonna be possibly going to Glamis for Halloween. I avoid Camp Razor and actually major holidays in general, but a couple, you know, different buddies are going, and you know, maybe I'll cruise out and see a major holiday at the Glamis sand dunes. So make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate everybody watching. Until the next one, we'll see what we do. I'll get my bike out and rip that next time. But anyway, guys, all the best. Peace.